And now we come to the sum and difference of cubes. So I want to direct your attention to the identities again. So if you have something x cubed minus a number cubed divided by x minus that number, this was a pattern that we found out a few weeks back. So we x squared plus ax plus s squared. All right. So we're going to be using these two formula right here. Basically, they become formula for us now to deal with anything with sum. There's a sum down here, and up here is difference. Okay. So let me write it over here. It's a sum because it's plus between them, and it's a difference because it's minus between them. Okay. So basically, we're just gonna have to rewrite anything that's given to us to look like this formula. Okay, either like that or like that. All right. The first one is x cubed minus 27. Here, well, this is direct. You can just write it like x cubed minus 3 cubed. So we know that our x is x and our a is 3. So we just plug it in and say, well, this is going to be x minus, this is minus, so we're going to start with minus a. So it's minus minus. They have to match, okay? Remember that? So it will be x minus 3, and then we go x squared minus, it's going to be plus, everything will be plus 3x plus 9. That is a factored form for x cubed minus 27. All right. Now, here's another one with 1 minus s cubed. Well, this is like my 1 cubed minus s cubed. Okay. So, it's t minus, so I'm going to start with minus. So, it'll be 1 minus x. All right. And then I start with 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. And then x times 1 is just x plus x. And then x times x is s squared. Okay. All right. It's just applying the formula. This is the s squared. That's 1 squared. 1 times x, 1x. And then a squared is my x, so s squared. Okay. Here is another one. S cubed plus 125. It's a plus here, so we have to start with, we know that 125 is like 5 cubed, okay? It's 5 cubed, not like it's 5 cubed for sure. And this is s cubed. So it's going to have at the beginning x plus 5, okay? Just like that, plus. And then we're going to go x squared, all right, times s squared, then minus 5x, minus 5x. And then we do plus 25. This is the one with the sign alternating, and that is the factor form for that which is given to us. Okay, here is another one. Okay, we have to recognize that we can write the 8s cubed as 2s cubed, and then minus so I'm going to call this one plus, so just work with some plus. Okay, so plus 3 cubed. Okay, so I have the first term here, or the binomial. So I have 2x and 3. So it's going to be 2x, this is a plus, 2x plus 3. And then I'm going to start with 2x squared. That's my x squared there. That's 2x squared. And then minus ax. So minus 3 times 2x. This is like my a, okay, and this is like my x. And then plus s squared. The 3 is like my a squared. This is a squared, okay. So plus 3 squared. I just need to simplify this. So it will be 2x plus 3. And then it will be 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. And that's the factor form for that. This is the last example from difference of cubes. This is also plus. Now, it seems this is not doable until you take out a common factor here. There's a common factor of 2. and s cubed. Take it out. And then you are 2 times what? Make 54. 2 times 27. And you're going to have, this should have been 6. My bad. It should have been 6. So s cubed plus 1. Okay, so plus 1. So what we're going to do now is to keep this 2s cubed on the outside. All right. And then write this 27, like, let's do it over here, scratch. So it's like 3x cubed plus 1 cubed. So this is like my x, this is like my a, okay? So I'm going to do that now. It will be 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. And then we'll do 3x squared, 3x squared. That's my x squared, and then minus, remember I say plus is going to be alternating, okay? So minus 3x times 1, 3x times 1, and then plus 1 squared. Okay, let's clean it up. So it'll be 2s cubed, 3x plus 1, and this is going to be 9x squared minus 3x plus 1. That's the factored form. Okay, so basically you just need to recognize when to use cubed, s plus a cubed, or x minus a cubed. All right, that's the end of that video there.